Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I am going to start by opening up this bottle of wine because I am bringing my New Year's in cleaning, you guys. So I'm going to have my wine. I'm going to get my house cleaned back up, and I'm going to get all those Christmas decorations took down. It is time to get control of my house again and get it cleaned back up and get rid of this clutter because I am over all of the clutter. I just got so much stuff on my kitchen counters, and I don't know. I want my counter space back. And usually I don't want to take my Christmas decor down because I just want to leave it up all year because I absolutely love Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. But you guys, this year, I don't know. I was just ready for it to come down. So, but that is how I brought my New Year's in. How was y'all's New Year's? Did you guys do anything fun?
I watch you as you drive.
Vacuum, so it can just get started on vacuuming the floors. And honestly, I don't use that thing enough. My husband bought it for me last year for Christmas, and I use my Dyson more. I'm always just going around vacuuming. I don't turn the robot vacuum on.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
Give me the lavender linen spray so I can get the couch sprayed. And she was sitting there reading me a text from her ex. Like, he broke up with her 2 weeks before Christmas, and like they still talk. It amazes me. It's crazy. But I'm just getting this couch freshened up and smelling better, less like dogs. And also at the very end of the video, I am making wine, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It is, so far, it seems pretty easy. It was very easy getting it done, doing it. But we will see what it tastes like in a few weeks. But I'm pretty excited about trying to make my own wine. I told my husband I wanted to do it. I've been wanting to do it for a while, and I just never did it because I'm like, I don't know how well it would taste. But pretty excited. But right now I'm just going to get this garland of lights tucked down from my window. Next year I want to do better with that. I want to find something better for it. But I'm going to spray the lavender.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubt.
Okay, so I've got Christmas decor down in this room. The dogs are playing. And y'all, my house is so bare. I told y'all we just live in it. It's not decorated. But that changes this year. I'm getting my house decorated little by little. Just start picking pieces up since now I know what I want to do. And get all the Christmas decor down. Oh, the little robot hit me.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. find the remedy? Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm so.
So I was just trying to decorate the fireplace mantle with what I could find around the house. I grabbed mine and my husband's wedding picture. I have another one that I would rather put up there, but I can't.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way.
Okay, so this room is done. The tree is going to go from there to my husband's truck because we're throwing this one away because the lights went out right there. But we've had this tree forever, so finally it's time to get a new one. So that goes tomorrow in the truck. And I got to get the Christmas ornaments off of that one, and then that one will be done. Earlier in the video when I said it had been a week and I was ready for that glass of wine, our refrigerator just, I don't know, it stopped working, and it did not work all weekend. And then, I don't know, it was just a habit. Putting, when I make tea, just sticking it in the fridge. It didn't, I don't know. That day, it just didn't dawn on me that the fridge wasn't working, and I made a big pitcher of tea. Don't have no room in the little refrigerator for it, but I just opened up the refrigerator and I just stuck the tea in there and some water, and it still didn't dawn on me that it wasn't working. But then all of a sudden it started working because my husband, he came into the kitchen and he's like, "Where's the tea?" I was like, "It's in the fridge." He's like, "But the fridge don't work." I'm like, "It's just a habit." So he opened up the fridge. He's like, "Everything in here's cold." He said the tea is really, really cold, and so is the water. I'm like, "Oh, really?" So I was pretty excited because it means I didn't have to stress about not having a refrigerator no more. And because it was the holiday, it was New Year's Eve. It was Saturday when the fridge went out, and my husband had been on call. And it's just really hard to go do anything when he's on call because he'll get a call out, and I can't ride in the shop truck with him. So if we ever go to town, we usually just have to take 2 vehicles, which absolutely sucks. So we just don't, when he's on call, we just stay home. And I was just kind of stressing out about the fridge, and then it just started working. So I'm still going to get a new fridge because I do not want that to happen again. That fridge, we've actually had it for 10 years. Yeah, we've had it for about 9-10 years, something like that. So it's about time for a new one. But in the meantime, it is working. And then I had to go buy groceries the other day, and actually, it was yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. It is Wednesday that I'm getting this voiceover done. So yesterday I went and bought groceries, and I just put all of our meats in the deep freezer with the vegetables and stuff because I'm I do not want that issue again because I don't want to lose no more food. So I'm just not putting nothing in that freezer, and then I'm just really watching the refrigerator. I don't have a whole lot put in there because I'm a little afraid that it might just stop working again, and I don't want to lose a lot of stuff. But that has been my past week, and it has been so stressful. And when I am so stressed out, my face and my neck just breaks out so bad. So I had my glass of wine while I was cleaning, and I actually have kind of filled it up 2 other times while I was cleaning. So I was getting pretty tipsy at the end of this.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Because right there, that was really right before I stuck it in the fridge. I had put it over there on the other counter so I can get this one cleaned off, and then I just took it and stuck it in the fridge shortly after this. And because I'm like, why is my tea on the counter? I just like I said, it just didn't dawn on me that it wasn't working. It should have, because I was taking all this stuff off the side of my fridge to get ready to get rid of it. But I don't know. It just had been a day. That's where I stuck it in the fridge. It had just like been a day. I was getting tired and it was getting late. The dogs were going crazy because the neighbors and everybody was shooting off fireworks, and it was just insane.
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're
My husband and son had went out to the shed and grabbed the totes for me so I can get pretty much everything off the dining room table. I still have some stuff up there because when I was at Walmart, I forgot to pick up bubble wrap because I thought I still had some. I didn't think I threw it away, but I guess it got thrown away when I was decorating. So I do need to go pick up some more bubble wrap and get all my breakable stuff wrapped up and get it all stored away. But right here, I'm just getting what I can until I get bubble wrap. And the next holiday I'm going to be decorating for is Valentine's Day. But I am not decorating for Valentine's Day just yet. I am not ready. I'll probably start decorating around like January 15th, January 20th. We'll see how I feel if it gets done any earlier than that. But I just kind of want to relax from the decorations for a little bit. So this is like a day or two later. This is the wine I am making. So I am getting my 1 gallon jug cleaned and sterilized, and it is a cup and a half of sugar per of one of these. So I put my sugar in there, and then I poured some of the juicy juice in on top of the sugar because I tried to like dissolve it as much as possible. But if this actually turns out and I do it again, this is not the way I will do it. Next time I would just pour the sugar in the funnel and then pour the juicy juice in, even the packet of yeast. That's the way I would do it. Because I feel like that would just been so much easier than the way I was doing it. But so I looked up tons of recipes on how to do this, and you can use 100% juicy juice or 100% any juice as long as it's 100% juice, or you can just use fresh berries. But I want to use fresh strawberries next time I make it, but the strawberry patch that we like to go to is not open yet. So I am just using some Juicy Juice and we're going to give it a go. Plus, according to some of the recipes I found, when you're using just 100% juice, it takes a lot less time for the wine to make, like 2 weeks, and then it said it would be good to go. But with fresh fruits, it's like 30 days. But they do sell winemaking kits on Amazon. This was a beer brewer kit. I found that at Goodwill. It had everything in it, but I wasn't making beer. I just wanted the bottle and all the pieces that went to it. And I paid like $5 for it. And then I went on Amazon and got my yeast. It's like 9 packets of yeast for like $10. So not bad at all. And I'm pretty excited about making this. So I'm just going to take you guys along with me on some of the DIYs that I want to do and things that I've been wanting to do for a while. And I decided 2024 was the year I was doing things I wanted to do and not putting them off. So I'm going to take you guys along with a lot of the stuff that I am doing. So we're just going to put this in a dark spot and just let it sit for a few weeks. And then I will give you guys an update on it when it is ready. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's. And I hope you all have a good Tuesday. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.